Okay, we were trying several of the Cordova plugins, dialogs plugins, and we was trying several of the methods with alerts, confirm, and right now we're gonna try with prompt. Prompt is to ask user to input some data, and when you show a dialog, then we're going to create a project to demonstrate, right? This one is a prompt. Okay, so you can use the normal native JavaScript or normal JavaScript prompt, but then if you do use the prompt from um, 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 Cordova API, plugin API, you'll be able to specify sort of the customization, but options like the title, the button labels, and the font text. So we're going to try that. We're going to create a new separate project for it. So we'll click on IntelliJ. So new project. Okay, next this one is Cordova plugin dialogs, and we're gonna try the prompt. Okay, then click on finish to create the project. Okay, from that project we're going to look at the web folder, do some cleanup. Okay, delete this comments, delete this comments. We'll delete all the things here. Okay, you can use jQueryMobile, or I'm just gonna use normal JavaScript. So just to make things simple, load Cordova and our JavaScript file first. Okay, then we're going to go to button, on click, not unload, on click. On click is gonna show confirm, show prompt. It's gonna call to show prompt method, and this one will say show prompt show. Okay, then we're going to go to our JavaScript file in JS folder and call the show from functions, copy JavaScript. This one we're gonna delete this one, functions, show prompt, and from this one we're going to use our native our Cordova plugin. So in order to use Cordova plugin, it reminds me that we need to add that plugin. So this one is installation folder, lines of code in order to install the dialogs plugin so that you can use the prompt. So we're going to just say Cordova plugin, Cordova, okay, plugin, Cordova plugin dialogs, okay, and okay, so we're going to use navigator dot notifications dot prompt. Okay, you're going to prompt user. Okay, and when you prompt the user, okay, when you prompt the user, you can specify the message. Okay, how do I know? Okay, you can specify the message of here. Well, let's have a look at it. So you can prompt. You can specify a message. The prompt callback. Okay, the message, the callback. Okay, the title, the buttons, and the font text. Okay, the labels is optional. Okay, the title is optional, and the font text is also optional. So we'll try to demonstrate all of them. This one, next one is the callback, and next one is the title. Then you have button label. Then you have the font text. Okay, so the message is let's say please input your name. Then don't forget this comma. The callback is the prompt callback. It's a function we'll code later. The title is prompt for a name. Then don't forget this. And the options, normally we put the normally I'm gonna put the option here as var options equal to an array. Okay, and this one is okay and cancel, or display or cancel. So this one is to show, by default it's gonna be okay and cancel. So I'm gonna input something special to show the ability to customize the dialog. We say display or cancel. So this one is the options. Then the default text is none. Okay. Then we're going to code the prompt callback. Okay. Functions prompt callback. The function prompt callback is interesting, that we should have a look at the document. The prompt callback is this, and the prompt callback is going to give you the result. Inside that result, then you have two data member, the button index showing you which button was clicked, okay, with the index. Let's say if OK is the index starting from 1, cancel the index starting from 2, so on and so forth. Okay, sorry, OK is 1, cancel is 2, which means the index is start from 1. Okay, it's not like the normal array, the index start from 0. And then besides, it's gonna give you also the input 1. Okay, remember this name. This member is storing the data that user keying in. So you're gonna go back there. It's gonna give you the result when it's called the callback. Okay, it's gonna give you the result. You're gonna have their button index. Okay, or you can say button index equal to result dot button index. Okay, then next one is, this one is a variable var input 1 equal to result dot input 1. Then when you have the data, you can check which button user input. So if button index equal to 1, which means, okay, button index equal to 1, which means the first one, okay, which is display. So you're going to alert, okay, welcome, then plus the input 1, which is a name, okay, plus to Cordova in tutorial. Okay, else means the user just click on cancel. If the user click on cancel, you're going to alert, okay, you cancels, okay, you cancels. So we would like to try this one to run with iOS or Android. Let me just choose Android to show the power of ability to customize this. Okay, we're going to click on run. Okay, wait for it to load. It's going to be the platform first and load. Okay. Okay, launch success. Let's just go to this one. You want to have the show prompt, which is a normal button here. Click on show prompt. You see, so this one is prompt for name. Please input your name, and this one is a default text. Okay, and see, so this one is a title. You have the ability to change the title. This one is a message. You have ability to add a message. Of course, the normal one you have that ability as well. Then you can have the option to change the cancel or display. Cancel or display. Remember, it's reorder the buttons. Okay, but then the index still one check. Okay. Then what else? The default text is none. Default text is none. Let's just try here. Input, let's say you're going to input meter A. Okay, click on display. You have, okay, welcome meter A to Cordova plugin tutorial. This one is good. Okay, and next one we're going to try another one, which is the showing beef. Okay, alert, beef sounds.